I'm sure you've heard the news, miracles still amaze us. But have you ever heard of someone sneezing back to life? Let's dive into one of the Bible's most joyful stories. So picture this, a prophet named Elisha arrives at a house where a young boy has died. The family is heartbroken. But Elisha doesn't give up. He stretches himself out over the boy, not once, but twice. Suddenly the boy sneezes 7 times and opens his eyes. Imagine the joy and shock in that room. This wasn't just a sneeze, but a miracle, a sign that God can bring hope and life where we least expect it. So if your faith needs a boost today, remember this: God's miracles can show up in the strangest ways. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and share this story with someone who needs a little hope.